you're busy. I asked him the other day, ngimbonise ngathi ufunani la. Bathi ngimuthathe ngathi ungacishe ngawo. Cishe ngathi hawu. So umkhoneza ukuthumele ngala.
Ugijima ngame lo.
So uthunyiwe because trust me at some point he was his driver. Ne? Mara ukuthi nje yela ungambona ufana no Lucky at some point I can't remember wathi no ngathi bayahlobana. Yabona. So I understand ukuthi lethi wayengakhona ukuma sorry but it is because khona udoti nje abawupushayo that I can tell you because yini into enzima that's why ngithi mina tomorrow sibize ukuthi ama docket if I say court there's no need for it ukuthi hlali yenzani if case ya court niyabizwa niyasabona nina witnesses you understand niya on that day hayi ukuthi kumele lihlali ngathi ngilinde
I think ukhonsult no like wathi no amadocket wamalethela kimi
but akakwazi angisho kune instruction general
ukuthi aye kuwe
yes
yebo
so which is why ngithi mina yabona ukuthi without ukuthi siveze ukuthi mina ngime kuphi asiyenza official wona usibize nje uthi hayi na instruction then akathi simthumule give me feedback yebo
yeah ngizombiza but angithi uzongitshela nje akunikeza iexcuse ukuthi akekho local or ukuphi angithi ubonile ukuthi yena siya attend wonke umuntu uyattenda yena akaveli yena
ufonile nje uvalela ama-dockets ngathi mina sonke bale size khona nje umfubo wathi yena hayi uke uhlale ofisini ngathi mina hey kumnandi ngoba wena uvunyelwe yabona
yena ubhizi uyazi ngokutshela babhizi bagijima ngame left right and center hot monitoring bazama amafoni wami ngapha nangapha ngiyathola konke lokho yabo
but into ebuhlungu general